So folks, in this video, we're going to talk about GME, what GME is going to do today. And first of all, we're going to talk about Roaring Kitty. So what he did and how it impacts really this stock. So right now the stock is sitting at $28, just a little bit shy of $30. And Roaring Kitty holds 9 million pure shares in GME. So he's the fourth largest shareholder in this company, GME. So folks, is that really influential for this kind of company or for this stock or not? So we're going to talk about it in details and how it's going to impact the short squeeze, how it's going to impact the movement of the stock, and why do you think that his holdings are increasing in numbers of shares that will impact the stock in a positive way. Well, he closed all his option trading, and now he is purely focusing on holding pure shares of this company, GME. So GME right now, as you see, this is a 4-hour chart. This is the pre-market, and we will see what we will also talk something really important, an update after the market. But after the market closes today, we will have a massive update on the stock. So keep an eye on that, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bells and hit that like button. So the more you like this video, the more it'll spread out to other people. So we are helping the apes. We are helping each other. So this stock can push up to the short squeeze. So let's do it, and we will gonna nail the stock. So 4 hours chart, as you see here, we are getting a nice curl back up again. As you see, we are looking for that support, and this is the resistance that GME is trying to do. And in this 4 hours, GME can come to $32 and flush back down and getting a little bit squeezed. And this is an area that we are looking for. But what if this stock really flushes down? So a lot of folks are telling this will flush down probably $20, and I think so it'll flush down to $26. $26 can be a decent range for this stock to really flush down. And let me draw that beautiful, or hold on folks. So this is what GME is trying to make it now. So another stuff, what GME will have a support will be $26. In this area on a 4-hour chart, this GME will try to play around. And if not, if we go to a daily chart, you will understand a whole other picture. So this here, right here, what you see here, as I told you yesterday, this stock is trying to make the curl back up. So this is what we are expecting, right? So in this range, we are expecting. So in order to form a U shape, the stock has to flush down back to at least to $22 or even $19, $20. So this is the range what this stock can perform. So $22 or $20 in order to form a nice U shape. So we'll have a W pattern. So that will literally become a beautiful pattern, and that's what the stock is looking for. And there are 3 to 4 scenarios in the stock. The stock can curl back up, climb back eventually, and hit back very solid. So even that becomes not a perfect W shape, but a kind of little tricky W shape. But if the stock, what if the stock flushes down $22.78? Well, do not freak out. I'm going to add more shares if it flushes down $22.78. But folks, remember, do not gamble in the stock. Don't put all your money in one stock, folks. Don't put all your money. Try to experiment these kind of stuff with 10% of your portfolio. Do not put all the eggs in one basket. Try to distribute them and try to take advantage of these kind of stocks very smartly, very intelligently. The moment you lose all money, of course, you'll lose the interest in the stock market. You will get more frustrated. You'll be more depressed that you lost hard-earned money if it's really your hard-earned money. So coming back to this, but before this, I want to tell, join the Discord. You will be answered 24/7 for this. And if you have any doubts, anything, you have a bunch of other stocks to trade right there. And you can see my day trades live there, what I'm trading. You can trade literally with me hand to hand you can trade and you can take profits, folks. Try to do that. It's just less than $20, and because the prices are going to increase, and if you get locked in this $20, of course that is beneficial for you, or else just pay the high price. So it's a beautiful community we're trying to form there, and we're trying to form the biggest community, and let's do it. So we will purely trade stocks and enjoy the profits. So coming back to this GME, $20. A lot of folks are telling $20, okay, $20, it can it be influential? Yes, it can be influential that this stock can flush down to $20. It's highly possible that this stock, but don't freak out if the stock really flushes down to $20. If it goes to below $22 and $20 support, then the things can change on a very worse part. The things can change on a very nasty part. So I might eliminate my shares. Absolutely. I might just sell in a loss and I will take the loss and I will just try to do that. But now, depending on the volume, depending on the behavior of the stock, depending on the updates from the stock market, and especially Roaring Kitty, that he's holding in 9 million shares, fourth largest shareholder in GME company, GameStop company. So, well, folks, a lot of folks are telling if he just sell those 9 million shares, the stock will really flush down. But I don't think so. Stock will really flush down with 9 million shares, folks. 9 million is it's not so much. There are not so many shares compared to the 100 million or 200 million, whatever you see right here. It might flush down probably at $3 to $5, and that can be the range. And others can still hold the stock, hoping the stock will go up. But I don't think so. Roaring Kitty will really do that because he's a very smart, very intelligent, very nice guy, and I like him. And one second, hourly chart. I want to show you something. Look at here, hourly chart. An hourly chart, we are consolidating purely. We are consolidating right here in this area, $32 and $24. So this is the range of hourly chart. We are trying to bounce back and forth. Even in hourly chart, if you see here, we are trying to make that curl back up right to $38. So, but if it takes the uptrend line with a solid support of this trend line, it can easily break that resistance of $32.31 and reach to $38.14. Once the stock makes the support of $32, folks, we will have the things on a very different level. Do you think I will add more shares? If you really want to know, join the Discord down in the description below. It's just less than $20, folks. It's $20 and less than $20 a month. That is literally 2 Starbucks coffee, whatever you drink in a week or in a day or 2 days. So put your money, waste your money where you get knowledge. Waste your money where you can really get benefit. Got it, folks? Educate yourself, folks. Educate yourself. If you don't know anything, just learn. We are here to teach you, and you can learn that you can take the knowledge. If you feel that is right, you can take advantage. If you don't feel that is right, just ignore it and just see your life. So coming back to daily chart, we are again hoping and seeing, not hoping, we are seeing for an uptrend, but we don't want the stock to break this support level. Folks, I got a very massive update. For that, follow and subscribe to the channel and like the video and spread this video, folks. Folks, don't just keep it for yourself. Spread it much as possible so others can take advantage. They can listen. They can see what is really going on with the stock for them, because there's so many other freaking people. They are just, the stock's not moving. They're just selling. So help even others. Help others just by forwarding the video, by liking the video. Just help others so the video will get popular and other people can get advantage from this, folks. Just don't care about yourself, because here we are a community. We are apes. Apes. You got what, you know what I mean, right? We are supporting each other here. So if you want to support each other, like the video, forward and much as possible, and tell to others who are holding GME and support them. So like I'm supporting you, you support me, and we are on a good team. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.